Hello, this is James at Proinkshop.com. I actually have Epson econtank 83850, which is pretty much all Epson econtank printers are pretty much all similar. Customer asked me to fix this printer, but I never handled with any Epson, but it'll be pretty much the same thing as a continuous ink system. He told me he's not getting the right printers. I'm printing all colors properly. So let me take a look. It was in the box for test printing. It looks like customer wrote the problem here. This is the test page from the printer. They wrote as it all printed yellow colors, but it's supposed to be red, orange, yellow, like that. So which means I think he's not getting the red. Let me take a look. I have to change. I need to change the paper size because they put the mass envelope for the paper size. So change that first, then close it. Oh, it's not touch screen. Okay. Okay, and I gotta figure out something. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna run the printhead knobs check first. Paper mismatch printing suspended by printing on a mismatch paper. Saying don't match the paper. Next. Print on the paper loading the cassette. Yes. Okay, exactly what I assumed. 내가 Little bit of black cloud, see the line missing. The yellows are fine, blues are a little dot missing, and the magenta is almost fully missing the lines. So I'm gonna try to run the print cleaning one time. Pretty soon things gonna be improved. The funny thing is, they will only print out 438 pages. I've been handling this continuous ink supply system, which is same thing like econtank and then HP Smart Ink and Canon, whatever it's called, and Brother also as well. Basically, all their systems are like a static pressure ink system. So they're pretty much exposed to the air. So sometimes I can notice the dry brick kick, and then sometimes like I take air bubbles on tubes so they don't get the right ink. The ink flow is not correctly delivering to the printhead nozzle. So it depends on the air. I mean the air pressure, weather temperature, or like circumstance of the place that you're using it. Or if you don't use for a long time, then sometimes the nozzle got dried up. So that's usually happen. Before they making this system, actually they bought the HP bought I think about 8 of the continuous ink supply system sample from me, and also the brother America also ordered a few of them. And Epson did not order, and then Canon did not order. So I actually I'm the one who provide them sample, but they don't know. It's from the order I received from the for the HP was I think it was in Seattle or Portland, from the Washington or Oregon area, and then my brother was California. I don't remember exactly. It's been a pretty long time. I think I sold to the Amazon, I think. I used to deal with the HP printers only, because I make the ink system, CISS. That's why I only deal with them. But these days, a lot of people bought the econtank printer from Costco, and then I said, 30% of the people like this is return it, within a few months after using it. Because they get ink ran out from the cartridge and all kind of problems. So okay, looks like the reds are totally missing. I can assume 2 of the problem maybe. Number 1, the printer nozzle got clogged by the ink trouble, but I think it's from the Epson ink. So but who knows? Even the genuine cartridges are clogged too. And then also, second assume is the ink ran out from the cartridge by some reason. So let me take a look. Okay, to take a look inside, I need to disassemble the some part, which is there as a screws 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I need to take this cover off. So let me do that. Okay, now I take the front cover part out. You gotta it's supposed to be goes on the middle of it. So to remove it, usually on HP there's a gear, but this one so manually I turn it on, but turn them clockwise, but this one does not. So let me let me put on as a printhead cleaning. It's gonna start moving it. So when it's released, or maybe you can try as like test page cleaning out. I think I should do the test page. Oops. I'm just gonna, so it's released. I'm just gonna unplug it. So no, it's gonna be moving. Okay. See, the reason I'm doing step by step because I never had a chance to take a look inside and never had a chance to disassemble this printer. Just common knowledge that I have. So with that information, I'm trying to fix it. So there's one more screw. There's a pretty tiny screw here too. So. A lot of my subscriber customers is gonna wonder that why this guy's playing with that Epson, because too many people ask me. So alright, so I took the cover off. Let me take a look inside. There's a little clickers, so take them all off, and you're gonna take them out, all of them at once. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna bring the camera a little closer. Okay. Okay. In the beginning, I actually explained about two assumed problem, and I guess the second, it looks like it ran out of ink from the cartridge. Okay. So as you see, the black still got full of ink, and then and the blue cyan kind of like more than half empty, but still got some ink in here, so still printing. So see the red magenta is totally out. That's why you didn't get. Well, I mean, in the beginning, the reason this printer print out a little red because the ink was like a little bit in here, and it prints out the leftover. The yellow also doesn't have much ink. Have some, but almost out. So two things I'm gonna do. I'm gonna fill up this cartridge with tools, and I mean I don't think it look. I don't I think it looks like the clogging problem, but I'm still gonna show you how to unclog the printhead just in case when you're looking at it, all these cartridges are full. Um, you know, mostly the head clogged, nozzle clogged. Okay, so let me bring some tools for what it needs. And prepare. Give me a second. Alright, so I prepared a cleaning solution, which this cleaning solution for specially made for the dye-based ink. And this printer is using a dye-based ink. I mean, the dye-based ink cleaner is mostly like made by the chemical, so I don't recommend using for the pigment ink. Okay, some people like cleaning solutions are the same, but it's not. Some of them is for the dye-based and some of them for the pigment. So like sometimes like people using just one cleaning solutions, and they get a trouble later. I mean, for the pigment ink cleaning solutions can be used for both of the printer ink, pigment or dye-based ink, but the dye-based ink cleaner is made by chemicals, so when they mix together with the pigment ink, it makes chemical reaction. But the pigment ink cleaning solutions are mostly by natural recipe. They don't mix any chemical in there, so mostly doesn't have any chemical reaction even for the dye base or pigment base. So this cleaning solution is for the Epson, and then I prepared the cylinder with the suction tips, which is for the printhead unclogging the printhead nozzle, and the 4 cylinder with the this is an ink injection tip. It can be used for both HP or Epson, but for the Epson you have to put a little the rubber what you call it, feeder from here, so it can fit in the cartridge. Okay, so first of all, I'm gonna fill up the cartridge first, I mean, some people call it cartridge, some people call it damper, whatever it calls. Anyway, this is the this is a reservoir. This is a reservoir, and these are the tube connected to the cartridge, and this cartridge gives ink into the printhead nozzle. So I mean, customer can be used cylinder, cylinders, tools color by color, but I'm just gonna use the one tool. See it? I don't know if you can see it or not, but the ink spilled up. I'm gonna do the cyan, and I don't know if you can see it. See it's totally empty. Oops. And you will see the ink coming in. I'm gonna put slowly. See? I'm gonna put some more, a little more. I'll do the yellow. Oh, flavor was totally empty too. Oops. 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 Alright, so I'll cut some food. Most of problem on this printer is like I showed. Printer does not deliver in the ink properly into the cartridge because like I explained, this is a static pressure ink system. So ink is flowing into the cartridge, naturally by the gravity. But sometimes, like based on the air or temperature or pressure or weather or circumstance in the place they're using it, you get an air bubble in the tube. And when you have also it happens when the printers like bring the ink, usually give the little air to bring the ink from the cartridge and from the reservoir. So like printers, like I don't know how the Epson works, but for the HP, like they're pumping the air into the printhead, and that the printhead's air goes into the cartridge. Amount of air goes in, the amount of ink comes out. So that's how it works. But I think it's pretty much similar. So so basically, this is what problem. I don't think I need to clean the printhead, but I'm going to show you how to clean the printhead just in case. Some people try to save some money, and even this is without even using this system. Some people like buying the ink from the eBay or Amazon or third-party ink, kind of cheap. So they put it in, especially on the dye-based ink. Like depends on the recipe, it's pretty bad. Especially most junk ink from some country. I'm not gonna tell. I'm not gonna say which country, but the big country from the mainland country, and those are like almost 99% are junk ink. So I don't recommend to put those junk ink in the printer. And it clogs the printer right away because mostly have too much sludge. So so some of them are really bad, just clogs right away. And so I stick on the Epson genuine ink, or either look for some ink that with a good quality, which is like made in USA or made in Korea or made in Germany. Inks are pretty good. Okay, but also inks are not all same. Even though dye-based ink, some ink are like it depends on the model. All the recipes are different. So Alright, so let me show you how to clean the printhead too. Alright, so let's put this on the side. Okay. Okay, if you take a look inside, there's a little tips. Right here, all 4 colors tips right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's the tips that goes into the cartridge to bring the ink out to the printhead. So I'm gonna inject some cleaning solution through there to push out the sludges. And then clean out the printhead. Okay. So before doing that, I'm gonna put some paper towel around the printhead. Don't put like tissues, because tissues gonna stick into the printhead nozzle. I'm gonna put some paper towel. Ooh, too much wind out there. Tie the printhead to the middle. I know it's kind of like hard to see it. It's dark. Let me see. I think maybe gonna do something that's gonna release that. Never mind, just gonna do it. So printhead, this is the syringe and this is the injection tip. Put it on. Little bit of cleaning solution. If it's not clogged that bad, not bad, you know, you don't have to put a lot. And then put it on a desired color. And then and push down the solution slow by little. Make sure it goes down. Flush out. And then I'm not gonna do it because I don't think it's a print clogging problem. So start, you know, just like that, and then injecting solutions. And if it goes in smoothly, then means unclogged it. If it's too much tension, then you gotta pull it out a little bit and then do it again. Pull it out a little bit and do it again. So make sure, like, you know, the solution goes down smoothly. And then move the carriage and then take the paper out. Put the cartridge back in. And then boom, 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 you're done. And then Let's see. Working on that. I'll say like 80 or 90%. I mean, without the ink change, if you think the printer got clogged or like doesn't print out right colors, you should check out the cartridge first before you unclog the printhead. You don't have to do unnecessary cleanings, you know. So, like I said, I'd say 80 to 90% of the segments are missing when you're printing, like get lines or doesn't print right colors. That means like probably you ran out of ink from the cartridge. So the cartridge cannot bring the ink from the reservoir. Like I explained already, can be mostly happen by pressure, air, weather, whatever, temperature, and that causes for the air bubbles, or so that has a gap on it, so the cartridge cannot bring the ink from the reservoir. Or sometimes like some people like love to, and they don't use printer much, and the nozzle got clogged. I mean dried up. Surface nozzle got dried up. So when they're printing, they get like they get like smear color. So they run the printer cleaning few times. Every time when you run the printer cleaning, ink ran out from the cartridge a little bit because it gives air in there, and it brings the ink out. But the air pushes the ink back to the reservoir, and they did not bring the ink correctly. That's why the ink ran out from the cartridge. And so let's see. Hold on. So still preparing. Meanwhile, these repair tools are, let's see, I don't know how much I'm gonna sell, but I think probably $14.99. That includes shipping in the United States. Yeah, it looks like $14.99. That includes shipping in the United States. Just to having like this tools, you can fix most of the problem on your econtank printers. Other than that, printing quality issues, like an ink pad reset, or like the waste pad management, whatever, and the paper doesn't, paper kept on jam. Those problems are separate. Like those are like if some the printer needs some part or some like materials, then I'll say you know what, go look around the used printer, same model what you got. They're probably selling like $50-$60 because a lot of people doesn't know how to fix those ink ran out, and they sell them cheap. They think the printer's broken, sell them cheap, and bring them in, and then you fix it, and you have a new printer. Because I see a lot of them post on YouTube, I mean the Facebook market or OfferUp, people selling these printers. They're all saying printer works good, but I'll say 80% of it does not. So just, make sure when you buy the printer, test it, and if the color missing, that means like, well, I can you can easily handle that. But something like paper fitting, jam or some other stuff, do not buy them. Okay, let me test it. As you see it, you got all the colors. There's a little single one missing, but it's gonna be solved after printhead cleaning. So I'm gonna run printhead cleaning one more time. Press yes. I keep on touching the screen because I'm used to on HP printers. They say most repair shop charging this for $60 to repairing this, but with the $14.99 you can fix it and then you can do it, keep on repair by yourself until the printer broke down. So I don't charge much, so I'm probably gonna charge my customer $40 and then give these tools to let them do it because I don't want to keep on doing this. Okay, plus you can buy these tools. Go to the Proinkshop.com, Proinkshop.com, and there's a categories for Epson. Oh no, go to the category for cleaning solution, printhead, and then there's a option. There's another subcategory probably for Epson. I haven't posted yet, but I'm gonna post it today. Or if you have any tech question, text me 909-815-6681. I'd rather like to get the text message before you calling. So, because most time I'm pretty much busy, so usually I don't answer the phone call sometimes. So leave a message, send me a text message. I'll turn your phone call if necessary, or maybe I'll reply by the text message also. And it's kind of like long video, 40 minutes. But without taking this video, probably I can fix it within 10 minutes, less than 10 minutes probably. Oh, just one more time. If you did printhead unclogging, like put this solution in there, then you may have to run like couple of printhead cleaning to get the right color, because you already got some cleaning solution in there, so you gotta push it out, sucking up, Okay, here you go. Bum. Now you saved your like $200 printer. I don't know how much it is, but you save your money with the $14.99. That's it. And thank you for watching my video. And like I mentioned, you can buy the tools from www.proinkshop.com, Proinkshop.com, and go to the printhead, and then printhead cleaning solution, whatever it's, you can easily find it. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you. Bye bye.